Hi guys, this is Anne Maria. You are 14 CS 151, and today I'm going to explain you my database lab exercise 3, that is to create tables using simple aggregate functions. So here is my set of questions according to which I'm going to do my programming, and this is my spool file. So the first is I have shown all the tables, that is customer, then order 1, order quantity, then product 1, supplier. I have just shown my tables. Now the first one is to display the number of customers in my in my table customers. So for that I have used the count method, that is select count customer ID from customer. So you can see the result is count, that is 4, total number of data is 4. Then the next is to what is the maximum quantity that has been ordered. To select the maximum quantity, I have used select max ordered quantity, which is my column name, from the table order quantity. So in this you can see the maximum order quantity that I have used is 30,000. Then the next is to display all the minimum, maximum and the average price from the table order quantity, for which I have used select min price, maximum price, which price is my column name, average price from ordered quantity. So you can see 3 columns which came. Minimum price is 1000, maximum price is 3005, average price is 1801. Now the next is to select the average price from the ordered quantity grouped by the product ID. According to the product ID, I want to select the average price from the order quantity table. So you can see how I got the average price for each of these: 15,000, 22,000, 3,005 and 1,000 for each. Now the next is select quantity from the product group by product ID. So I want to select the total quantity of each for each product. So the total quantity for each product is displayed here. That is 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40 and 50. Then the next is to select the count order ID from order name group by the order date. So I want to select the number of orders that has been placed on each date. So I have 1 orders for each date. Then the next is to see according to the order date, I want to I want to list them in a ascending to descending order. So I have used the table select star from order 1, order by order date. Okay, so order date is my my column name. So accordingly you can see how September, May, July, December, how this comes in the ascending order. Then the next is select product ID order quantity from the order quantity table. So product ID order quantity. So you can see how it is displayed according to the product ID and order quantity. Then the next is I want to display all the SIDs in the descending order from the supplier table. So I have these orders in the descending. SID is 5, 4, 2. So this is how this goes, and 1. So I have displayed my supplier's ID in the descending order. The next is to display all the customer names from the table customer in the uppercase. For that I have used select upper, the column name from the table name. So upper, you can see all the names have been displayed in the capital. Then the next is select distinct months between. I want to select distinct months from the order date so for that I have used select distinct months between sys date and 03 October 14, tenure from order 1. So you can see how this gets displayed. The next is select concat. I want to prefix the postal code with 2 zeros, for which I have used select concat. I want to prefix the 00, so I have used 00. Then the postal code, then the postal code, that is my column name, from the table name, that is customer. So you can see here how this gets each of the postal code gets prefixed with 00 in the between in front. Then the next is to display the substring Newman from the Richard Newman. So I want to display the substring only Newman. I wish to get it displayed. So I've used select distinct substring in bracket the name Richard Newman 9,14, which is the number of characters 9,14. From 9th to 14th I wish to get it displayed. Substring from the table name. So you can see the output comes here as Newman. Then the next is to display the name of the customer that ends with E. For that I have used select customer underscore name, that is my column name, length customer underscore name from customer, where customer name like percentage E, so that I can get it displayed. I can get the displayed name of the customer which ends with E. So you can see there is only one result, that is John Doe. So for further reference, you can see this is my SQL command line in which I have used my commands. For example, you can see I have ordered by my SID in the descending order. Then the uppercase also. I have used the upper command from customer. So you can see how this goes. Then I have concatenated. I have given prefix for each of the postal code here. And then the next is to get the displayed name of the customer which ends with E. And then I have done the spool off. So this is the end of my third exercise.